Hello and welcome to the IT Academy. In today's video, I will demonstrate how you can convert your PowerPoint presentation into a video. How can we do that? To convert the presentation into a video file, you simply have to save it as a video file. Now, since it's a one-way thing, it'll be better that you have music in the background in certain situations, because it will just be too silent and boring. So I'm going to add music, instrumental music, to the background of this presentation. To do that, I'll simply go to Insert, Audio from my PC. And then this is the music I want to insert. It's instrumental. So I click on it and click Insert. You can see the audio icon has been put here. Okay. So we can also control the volume by clicking here. You see the speaker icon. You can control the volume of the music when it is playing. And then you can also do something else to this music. Once you click on the audio icon, you can see that the playback format is displayed. And you can tell it to play across slides. Normally, when you insert an audio file on a particular slide, it's going to play only on that slide. By the time you advance to another slide, it will not play. So unless you instruct PowerPoint to do so. So we are doing that. Play across slides. And then also hide during show. That means this will not be displayed. So hide during show. So when you've made these few settings, it is time to now save your PowerPoint presentation as a video file. So let's go ahead. You click on File, Save As, and then Browse. Go to the location where you want the file to be. Okay, I want it to be on this folder called PowerPoint, which is on the desktop. And then let me give my video file a name. And then the next step is the most important step of all. You see here we have Save As Type. This is where you determine the kind of file you want to save. So at the moment, it's going to save it as a PowerPoint presentation. So I click on this button and I select. If I select PDF, it's going to save it as a PDF document. But we don't want that. We want it to save as a video file. So let's say we have MP4. You can save it as a Windows Media Video format or MP4. So let's select MP4 and it will be saved as an MP4 video file. So I just click on Save and then it starts saving. Because it is a presentation that is being converted to video, it's not going to save so fast. It's going to take a little while. If you look at the bottom of the screen here, this is the progress indicator. You see, it just started. It hasn't gone so far. And you can see the message here, creating video. So it's creating a video file. So this is what's going to happen. It's going to run this till it gets to the end. And then we'll be able to save our video file and then play it. Okay, so the file has been saved successfully. And we're going to take a look at the video file. And this is where I saved it. So PowerPoint, and this is our file. So let's play the video and see what happens. Okay, so you can see that this is a video file. Your PowerPoint presentation has been converted into video with the music playing in the background. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Thank you and bye for now.